Hi, I'm Chris with Bluefrog Plumbing and Drain of West Houston. Why is my garbage disposal leaking? Any kind of leak from the garbage disposal should be left to the professionals. Water could be leaking out of different areas of the garbage disposal, so a thorough inspection is needed to find the source. Whether it's a loose sink flange or from a crack in the garbage disposal, we'll identify the problem, fix it if possible, or replace if necessary. Trust our Bluefrog Plumbing and Drain experts of West Houston to dispose of the problem.